Hi there, Ben Walker here, founder of Inspire Life Changing Accountants. We're here with another tax tip all about repairs and maintenance. So, when you're running a business, obviously things break or things need a repair, and you have to go and fix stuff like, let's say, a printer or a piece of machinery that might be busted in the warehouse. What this tax tip suggests is that if you need some repairs done or some maintenance done on something, if you get them done before 30 June, then we can claim them this financial year. If you wait until next financial year, we claim them next, in the following one. So let's say you got $10,000 worth of repairs to do on something. The timing of that this year or next year might mean up to sort of 3 or 4 grand of tax you don't have to pay this for this current financial year. So it's just a suggestion. If it needs to be done, then consider getting it done and paid for before 30 June, so we can claim it sooner. But again, I don't advocate for spending a dollar just for the sake of it. So only get stuff that you're going to need to repair or you need to spend money on maintenance for over then, call it July, August, September, and you're pulling that sort of money forward. But just don't sort of spend willy-nilly just because of tax savings. We never say spend a dollar to save 40 cents. Make sure you're going to be doing it anyway. So that's the tax tip on repairs and maintenance.